Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. This is a very exciting video because I unboxed everything with my son and he was having so much fun unboxing with me. I enjoyed so much making this video. This video is sponsored by Temu. So me and my son loved everything we received this time. I picked out housing stuff and I also picked out some toys for my son. He loves those toys so much. This is my coupon code and all the product links are in the description box. This coupon code is for 30% off. Temu is launching a special Christmas promotion for customers. During these special events, shoppers can shop items as low as 99 cents, and my followers can get an extra 30% off sale price. Check it out. I'm very excited to share this video with you guys, and I'm very looking forward for next cooperation with Temu. They do have a lot of housing stuff and toys. I hope to get more toys for my son. Let's start this video. So we just received the package from Temu. I picked out some toys for you. Oh wow, I'll open it for you. The car adventure. Yeah, this is for age 3+, but my son can still play with it. You will have a lot of fun.
Mama.
Yes, I'm trying to open it. Wow, here's the instruction. Here has a helicopter. Wow, and a tiny car. Those cars are super tiny. Very tiny cars. Go here. Let's put it on the floor. So this one is the trace. Goes here. Wow, that's perfect. The tiny cars. Yes. This one goes here. Oh, this is like a tower. Goes here. If you put the car here, you push this button. You pull this button. Wow. Push this one. And you turn. Oh, and going up. See, we have a helicopter. Put it here. When you turn this button, the helicopter turns. And here has some more accessories. Traffic lights goes here. I'm not sure what is it, but those ones goes here. Wow, you got all the cars. The trees goes here. Since this one goes here. So I think I know how to play with this now. Okay, I will show you how to do that. And push the yellow button. See, it's on the helicopter. We transfer the car on the bridge. So the car is on the bridge. See, the bridge moves. Very interesting toy. Ambulance and police car and taxi. That's right. Keep going up. When the helicopter above the car and you push the yellow button. Push it. Car. Yes. Good job. Turn this again. Pull the yellow one. The bridge goes down. Wow. And you pull the green handle up. Wow. And the yellow one. Yes. The green one. Wait. Wow. All 3 cars are here. Your turn. Mama turn. The right one. Up. The yellow button. Push it. Yes, you did it. Yes. The yellow one. The gray one. Yes. You did it. We have more here. More toys. What is that? Oh, that's one for... Oh, this is one for making sushi. My son really loves eat rice ball with seaweed. So this will be very useful cooking kit. They have chopsticks. Whoa, this looks very fancy. I wish I didn't buy the chopsticks. And this one is avocado cutter. This one is the chopstick holder. That's one for rice.
Yes.
Then chopsticks. And the chopsticks holder looks like a fish. That's one I think is still getting the rice. This one is... Can you open this, please?
Yes.
That's one for soy sauce. And this one is for making the sushi. Will you help me to open those ones as well? Because I'm holding my camera right now. I'm using my phone recording it. Rice mold is also including a knife. I need to put this one away, it's dangerous. So if those came early, I didn't need to buy chopsticks, knife, and here's the sushi maker. You can choose handmade sushi or use the maker, sushi maker. Can you hold this and let's hold? Thank you. Yeah, I will make a separate, so I will definitely make a separate videos using the sushi kit and making sushi. My son loves sushi rice ball. He loves it. I will wash those first and then before using it. Oh, we finally have blanket now. That's cute. A blanket. So this is a new blanket. My son is sleeping. Very cute blanket. We finally have a blanket now. Drain basket to wash vegetables. It's very useful. I also use the basket drainer, like wash some kitchen tools. This one's for you and for Christmas. Yes, this one's for you. Right. I think you will have to play it outside. Yes. Mama, out. So I just put the bubble in it, so we will go out. This thing works really good. Works perfect. He loves it a lot. I have this sticker cover the nights because I think the night is too bright. See? I need to get a better sticker than this one. See? It's still very bright. I finally got a bottle now. And I do need this one. He puts like hot tea. My son can drink it as well if just water or juice. And I like the color and it's the right size. Fuzz removal. And it's got a charger and blades. And I can remove the fuzz. And it's chargeable, so it's better than the one you have to put the battery. This is my son's sweater. His sweater looks new now. I like this sweater and he likes it too. Make his sweater look new. And a little brush. You can clean the device. Empty the dustpan. See the fuzz? It's kind of hard to remove it. Maybe because my wrist hurts. Wow, looks new. I like this one a lot. It's very useful for our clothes. It's another toy for my son. So we need to put together. You can cut the vegetables. Okay, I'll put together the shopping cart. He likes to cut the vegetables. He really loves to. The handle comes two-piece. So when we go shopping, maybe you can take the cart. Basket. That's what's broccoli. Here is sticker. Decorates the shopping cart.
That's it?
That's strawberry. Okay.
Apple.
Apple?
Apple.
Yes, that one's apple. He's cutting the apple. You're right. Pumpkin?
Yes.
He's cutting over here. Good job. Let's put the stickers on. The ears. He loves to dump. And so those are just stickers for the card. See, it's a bear. And the cheeks. Oh yeah, I have cheeks too. The cheek.
Mama.
Yes, I have cheeks too. Okay, where do you think his eyebrow should be? Right here? Okay. I do think the music is very loud. Broom? Are you enjoying sweeping the floor? My son has been sweeping the floor for a while. I think the broom and dustpan is more it's more interesting than this one. Oh yes? He loves this one more than the toy. What's in this box? Oh, I think this one is a trash can. We can hang this one on the door. We have a trash can now. This trash can looks very nice. You like it? Yes, I really like it. And the color matches the fridge. I don't think I can use it as a trash can yet because my son likes to put his toys in it. This is his toy storage. Do you like it? Yes? So all those housing stuff become his toys now. I love the utensil holder so much. It looks very pretty. And I put those plastic utensils. And it matches. It's very pretty. I really love this one. This is the instructions. I'm trying to look at the instruction. It's not complicated. It's just it'll take me a while to put this together. That one's the refrigerator. Here's your pots, and you can cook food. You can put a broccoli in the pot and cook it. Peanut, and you can turn it on. Yes, it can get hot. You're right.
Hot.
Wow, yes, you're right. Here has a little cup. And what else? And chocolate. You can put chocolate here. And spoon. More spoon. And cook shrimp. Tiny pepper. More shrimp. I know you like shrimp. A mushroom. This is his kitchen toy. He has been playing with it. It's a mess here. He took the door off. Those decorations are the stickers. Those are the stickers. And this is cardboard, and he has been playing with this one for a while. He likes it. We really do have a lot of fun. Every time when we go pick up packages, my son is very excited to unbox the packages because he knows something interesting in the package. He loves to unbox packages. I really do love those housing stuff, and he loves the toy. I hope we will unbox more housing stuff and toys. So that's all for today, and all the links are in the description box, and please check it out. And the price is very affordable. Temu offers free shipping for new users and free return for up to 90 days. They have very affordable product. They accept all major debit card and credit cards, PayPal, Google Pay, and Apple Pay, and even pay after programs like Afterpay. They have lots of reviews from customers from all over the world. You can check it out. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in next video soon. Bye bye.